In this video, you will learn how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. Many people face issues like not being able to play or send voice messages. This can be frustrating, especially when you want to communicate quickly. I will go through simple steps that you can follow to solve these problems easily. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find apps. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all apps installed on your device. At this point, tap the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in WhatsApp and hit search. Select WhatsApp. Once you're directed to the WhatsApp app info page, it's time to take some action. On this page, tap Force Stop. This will close any running processes related to WhatsApp that might be causing issues. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Storage. Here, you'll want to clear cache by tapping on Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary files that could be interfering with voice messages. After clearing cache, go back and select Permissions. Make sure that WhatsApp has access to all necessary permissions, like microphone and storage. This is crucial for sending and receiving voice messages effectively. Once you've confirmed all permissions are granted, exit out of Settings and head over to the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type in WhatsApp. If an update is available for WhatsApp, make sure to download it by hitting Update. Keeping apps updated ensures they function smoothly with all features working properly. After updating, restart your device. Restarting clears any lingering issues from memory and allows changes made earlier to take effect. Once your device has restarted, open up WhatsApp again. Try sending a voice message now. You should find everything functioning correctly without any issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.